This is a 2019 GMC Yukon XL in the SLT package. Got the 18-inch rims, silver ice metallic paint, got the chrome running boards, privacy glass in the rear windows, got the fixed running boards with the chrome accents, reverse parking sensors, backup camera, and it does have the power lift gate. See the XL trim. This has the power folding third row, so just push these two buttons here on the right and it will fold the third row, and then you push them again on the top and it will lift them back up. And then for the second row, it's just power release, so you can just release them and they'll just drop automatically, but they will not come back up. Got a huge storage bin underneath. There's your cargo net that attaches to these two anchors, goes across. Power lift gate button, LED tail lights. This one has the second row bench seats. There's your third row. Third row has their own DVD system there, and the second row has theirs. Little bonus for the second row, on the edges they do get heated seats. That's nice. 3 stages. Got a 110 volt port there, 12 volt there. Got your auxiliary, 2 USBs and an HDMI. Some cubby holes there. Up top you do have your air vents, and then the DVD players have LED lights built into them. Got a cup holder and some storage here. Has the brown cocoa interior accents with the DUNE leather. Got your push button child locks for the doors and the windows. Power windows, express down. And you also have a power folding side mirror. Push this button, the mirrors will fold in automatically. Push it again, they'll fold back out. You can also tie that to your key fob and do the same with your key fob. There's your driver memory seat. You can save your driver's seat, side mirrors, your steering wheel here, and your pedals. You can save all of those, so every time you get in, it's exactly where you left it or want it to go. Driver's seat there is power. Automatic headlights, 4-wheel drive. Like I said, you have your power adjustable pedals. There's your lane change alert, parking sensors, traction control, power adjustable. Rain sensing wipers, automatic, Bluetooth. There's your cruise control. You got a heated steering wheel, collision alert, and this right here adjusts your gap distance. I say it's like the 3-second, 2-second, 1-second rule. This has built-in navigation, as well as the optional ONSTAR subscription-based nav if you want that. Backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, AM, FM, XM radio. Going through your settings. This does have the safety alert seat. Forward collision system with alert and automatic braking. Park assist for the rear. And then your rear cross traffic alert. Scroll down and you also have your lane change alert. You'll see in the side mirrors there's a little car with a star. When that illuminates, somebody is in your blind spot. Dual zone climate control for the front, and then your third, so tri-zone for the rear. And you can lock out the rear so they cannot adjust the temperature. Front has heated and cooled seats. Push button start. 12 volt, 2 USBs. There's your cup holders. A lot of storage. There's another 12 volt, another cubby, 2 USBs and an auxiliary. It does have a locking glove box, and the owner's manual is inside. And then looking at the key, proximity entry, built-in remote start. You can unlock the window itself on the hatch, or use this and do the power liftgate. Up top you got LED map lights, built-in garage door opener, power sliding sunroof, and then your power liftgate, and it is programmable height. So there's your sunroof. Got a cubby hole back there with a USB port. Store stuff in there, and if you want, you can lock this from operating and using a 4-digit PIN. So you go to settings, valet mode, type in a 4-digit PIN, save it, and then this button will not work, so whatever you put in there is locked. Some wood grain accents with some storage there in the corner. There we go.